You mentioned this, Brad, the fact that this heat is going to tax all sorts of aspects of our life, and that does include our HVAC units. And so we've been seeing, actually, as we've been dealing with all of this dangerous heat, cumulative over the season, local companies have been working around the clock, Colin, to try to keep up with all of the repair calls that they are getting right now.
Yeah, and it's obviously tough to keep up with your HVAC system annually, which is what they obviously offer and sometimes suggest. But our WCNC Charlotte Miles Harris talking about these companies and what they're going to do, how they're getting prepared to be inundated with calls the next couple of days.
Yeah, Colin, Vanessa, quite frankly, the longer the heat is here, the bigger impact it can have when it comes to AC units throughout the Queen City and really throughout the Carolinas, which could also call for high demands with those emergency repair requests with local HVAC companies.
When outside temps go up, AC temps come down, but that combination could cause issues for AC units.
So with these things just running harder and harder during the summertime, a lot of these electrical components, they get strained as all get out.
The strain on air conditioning systems have companies like Morris Jenkins sending out several service techs working to ensure cooling systems can combat the oppressive heat.
We come out, check everything out, make sure everything's working properly.
Luke Nessman understands firsthand the importance of a working AC unit in the summer.
A couple years ago, it just started going on the fritz in July, so we had a leak and it was freezing over.
A functioning AC unit is critical for the Nessmans.
Talk to me about how important it is to make sure that this AC is running when we're dealing with the heat that we're getting ready to kind of face today.
Yeah. Well, the wife is also pregnant, so she wants it nice and cool in there. So yeah, I got to make sure it stays cool so she stays comfortable.
And guys, for those experiencing any AC problems, not just today, but in the next couple of days, local HVAC companies, they are really stressing if you do run into any problems, get a hold of those emergency services as soon as you possibly can. Leave it up to those professionals because those service calls are really prioritized by when those calls do come in. And like Brad had already said, we do expect to see those warm temperatures playing a role in many factors of our life here over the next couple of days. But for now, reporting live here in West Charlotte, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.